Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video and to our weekly backtesting session. So I've been backtesting the whole day, and this is, I guess, my last one for the day, and I wanted to share it with you guys. All right, so you know the drill. All we're gonna do is choose a random day and then backtest the strategy, which is for the newcomers. It is basically something like this: recognizing a trend, either uptrend or downtrend, and then looking for price to trade above a previous high, sweep it, and then we take lower to continue with this trend right here. So that's the whole strategy. Of course, there are going to be more details, but that's the core of the strategy. So let's get started. Choose a random day from here as always. Let's go to 2017. Let's do something like this. I don't remember this range, and yeah, let's see. All right, and as always, we're going to use FX Replay for this, the best backtesting platform. Let's do. Oh, I can't do numbers. All right. I'm going to add ES to it to check for SMTs. All right, beautiful. 10:30 a.m. as always. But the thing is, this was 2017. So as you can see that NQ was trading at 6K. That means that the volatility is going to be low in time frames like, let's say, the 15-second, right? You can see that we have a lot of gaps. Not like when you check NQ now, it's trading at 21K or 22. So you can see that also the 5-second chart is not beautiful compared to what we have today. So we're gonna have to trade basically on the 1, sometimes the 15-second, but mostly on the 1 minute and above, right? So let's see. First of all, identifying the trend. Let's go to our time frame. Clear uptrend. We took this high. We have an SMT here. You can clearly see that ES didn't take this low while NQ did. Things are not pretty here. We still have this whole block that can push price to the downside. We need to wait, so let's move price a bit. Yeah, so this sweep right here was not that obvious. And this whole block is still responsible for the bearish order flow from here. We have another sweep here. This could be an opportunity to take price higher. We have some imbalances, you can see here. So yeah, let's take the trade from here. It's gonna be the first trade of the day. Let's put stop loss here. And the TP just above this high. Beautiful. Let's place the trade. It's gonna be market. And let's see. Alright, beautiful. First trade of the day, winner. Price created equal highs with this high. Perfectly. So this is why you should target highs and not some imaginary level. Although price can trade to the upside, but let's see. Yeah, it continue. Let's remove this for now. Let's go to 15 minutes. There is this candle right here. We need to watch how price reacts to it. It took liquidity from the previous candle, so it is a significant candle. Let's go to the 5. Price closed above it. This can be an opportunity to take price higher. Let's see if we're gonna get maybe something like this. Stop loss here. Let's see. Place order. Limit. Beautiful, another winner. So pretty much this is the same idea. Yeah, two different trades, but the idea is the same. Swept liquidity from here. We took the first trade to where? To the imbalances, right? But we cannot take it to here because we don't know. Price can easily reject from here, right? But after we saw this, we confirmed that this right here is the sweep, the final sweep to take this high, right? The high that delivered the low. So after we violated this, it got confirmed that we're gonna trade to here. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes. Beautiful. Let's continue. And trade back to the downside, but we have a sweep here. We don't have a closure. This is not something that you want to see. Let's go to the 5. We have a low here and unmitigated zone here. Maybe you can get a reaction from it. So I guess we can take this trade, but a terrible RR. Where do we put our stop loss? Maybe here? Because this should be the target, or at least we should put break even here, you know? So I guess we can put it here. And then we can go break even. You know, let's put our stop loss here, because I don't see price coming back to here. There's no unmitigated zones here. And let's see if we're gonna get 1R here. But as soon as price takes the high, we're gonna go break even, you know. Alright. So let's take the trade. Buy market. All right. All right. So this is, let's put stop loss here because we created equal highs. Yeah. Yeah, we're out. So just like the previous scenario, equal highs here on the first trade, I guess. Right, so let's take this and see. Alright, so you can see on the previous trade, we continue. In the first trade, we continue from here after creating that equal highs. But in this scenario, you can see that we traded to the downside. So I made the right decision and don't rely on the outcome of only one trade. Alright, so this happens a lot. Price creating equal highs here or equal lows and then heavily reverse. So let's remove this and this one. We have another sweep. We have this big imbalance. So we have a lot of sweeps. This is basically a range. We need to be very careful with it. We have a sweep here, we have another sweep here, you can see. So it's better to let the price decide where it wants to go. Okay, so we are going to the downside. So from a higher time frame view, you can see that this is clearly a range, and we were lucky that we got some trades from here. This should be the next low, and you can see that ES is so strong. It just one move to the upside, no sweeps, nothing. While you can see that NQ has a lot of manipulation legs to the downside, you can see here. So let's see how price reacts to this imbalance. Okay, we close above it. This could be a chance to trade higher, maybe to this high, you know, because after that sweep I don't see price going to here. This is logically this is the next target, so let's put our target just above here, you know, and let's take the trade. It's gonna be a limit order like this. Beautiful, but unfortunately we have to put break even, unfortunately, because this is a rule of mine. When we take the high, there is no target lift and price can easily come back here. So if price wants to continue to the upside, it's gonna be a TP. If not, there's gonna be a break even. Let's see. And let's see. Yeah, break even. So, and it looks like that this is the AM or the PM. Oh, so this was the Asian session. Okay. So unfortunately, this is a very good trade, but our target should have been here or just above here. But since the risk to reward was terrible, I had to put it just above here. But so although break even, but this is gonna build good habits in live trading, right? So let's remove this. And let me just continue and see where it wants to go. Oh, beautiful. It proved my point. So you can see that we never came back to the upside and price melted to the downside. So yeah, this was a day between this trade and the potential stop loss. But imagine this is the 1 minute chart and we are at the same day, right? You could easily get stopped out here, right? So this is why you should follow your rules. When price takes your target, there is no need to keep the trade. All right. Put break even. If price wants to continue to the upside, it will take your profit. So always try to put your TP at those targets, the highs or the lows, or just above them or below them like this. Don't shoot for the moon. So I guess this is the end of the session. We took 4 trades, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, 4 trades, 2 winners, and 2 break even. So I hope you enjoyed this quick backtesting session. I hope you found value in it. And if you have any questions, you can always DM me on my Twitter account or leave a comment down below and I will answer you as soon as I can. Now happy trading and good luck.